Now, let's do the classic margarita. No more blended drinks. We're gonna do this the way God intended. On the rocks. Let's go ahead and rim our glass first. Now this time I am, instead of just doing a salt rim, I'm gonna do some salt and Tajin, make a little spicy rim. Rim our glass ever so gently. Ever so tenderly we will rim our glass. Yes, it will be wonderful, magical, rimming our glass. So tender. Oh God, what am I saying? Nothing different here. Everything's the same, except for the margarita, except for the kind of the most important part. That's different. That's very different. If you ever don't want such a thick rim, you can always scrape it off too, make a nice clean line. And then you can, should I eat it? Should I eat this just straight salt and Tajin? Ooh, that's sour. That is sour. All right, so we'll just let that sit with ice off to the side. Now let's go ahead and start mixing our margarita. Now the classic margarita is a formula. It is gonna be 2 parts tequila, 1 part orange liqueur, and then 1 part lime juice. But if you want to, you can make a more advanced version. That's what I'm going to do. Instead of doing 2 ounces of tequila, I'm actually going to do a split base of 1 ounce mezcal and then 1 ounce of tequila. I did 2 ounces of tequila. Once again, just start with your cheapest ingredient. So we'll start with our lime juice. This time I'm going to switch up the orange liqueur. I'm going to use Pierre Ferrand dry curacao. Finally, we'll do 2 ounces of our tequila. I did 2 ounces of tequila. Ooh, just enough. Wow, I had like 2 ounces exactly left in there. Good riddance. It wasn't very good. All right, well then we're gonna do half an ounce of mezcal. This is gonna be boozy. Shit. And I'm gonna break up a couple cubes of ice. Oops. The top of our shaker. Shake about 10-15 seconds. So we'll let that sit for a minute. Let's dump our ice out of here and crack in some nice fresh ice for this thing. Now to just strain into the glass. Woo, right up to the wash line. So let's take this, get a little bit between the pith and the fruit. Perfect. So just get that on right in there, like so, and voila. All right, let's give this thing a taste. That's good, that's good. The acidic, spicy rim from the Tajin and the lime juice and the smoky mezcal really dial it in. It really dials it in a lot more than the classic margarita, in my opinion. But I will say, no matter what you do, this one is gonna be a lot more tequila forward. So a higher quality tequila is gonna get you a lot more mileage on this. Though I will say, in my opinion, again, in my personal opinion, I think that this one is probably a little too tart. You could add a 1/4 ounce of agave and maybe make it a little bit more balanced. Or maybe you want the tart. Maybe you're a tart person. Maybe, perhaps, you've just been laid off by Discord. So you're feeling a little tart and you want something to match the mood. If you like this, check out the complete Margarita series on screen now or in the playlist down in the description, and subscribe so you'll know when my next series is released. Bye-bye now.